Hi friends, this is the activity. In this activity there are three questions. In each question pictures are given. Observe these pictures very carefully. Try to understand which things are given and which things you have to calculate. In first picture there are two conditions. I will explain about these two conditions. One shirt is there, one pant is there. The sum of their price is 500 rupees. The similar types of shirts and pants are in second condition. Two shirts are there, one pant is there, and the sum of their prices is 700 rupees. And question is that you have to find the price of one shirt and the price of one pant. Okay. In second picture, the cylindrical object is a pencil, and second one is which is a cuboid, that is a eraser. In this second picture there are again two conditions. In first condition, the sum of price of one pencil and two eraser, which is a 12 rupees. And in a second condition, two similar pencils, two similar erasers, and the sum of their prices is 18 rupees. And question is that you have to find the price of one pencil and price of one eraser. Try to think. Next, observe the third picture, in which the items are notebook and chocolates. And question is that you have to find the price of one notebook and one chocolate. फ्रेंड्स, हे ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी तुम्ही अर्धा तास जास्तीत जास्त घेऊ शकता. काही विद्यार्थी अर्धा तासाच्या आत सोडवतील सुद्धा. मग सोडवल्यानंतरच पुढील व्हिडिओ तुम्ही रिस्टार्ट करायचा आहे. तोपर्यंत तुम्ही हे व्हिडिओ स्टॉप करून हे ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. काही विद्यार्थ्यांना हे सॉल्व करण्यासाठी दे नीड मोर दॅन हाफ ॲन आवर. मग ते वेलकम आहे, ते घेऊ शकता. ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट करूनच मग हे व्हिडिओ तुम्ही रिस्टार्ट करू शकता. तसं करा. इट विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टँड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. ओके मित्रांनो, अपेक्षा करतो तुम्ही हे ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट केलेला असाल. कंग्रॅच्युलेशन, अभिनंदन आहे तुमचं. ठीक आहे. मी याच्या सोल्युशन बाबतीत डिस्कशन करणार नाही. फक्त एक म्हणावंसं वाटतं की इन थर्ड क्वेश्चन मॅक्सिमम विद्यार्थ्यांना थोडंसं डिफिकल्टी आलेलं असेल. ओके. आता मी फर्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटीच्या संदर्भात बोलतो. ऑब्झर्व करा. लेट कन्सिडर द प्राइस ऑफ दिस शर्ट इज X rupees and the price of pant is Y rupees. Similar types of shirts are here. The price of shirts are X rupees, X and X, and the price of this pant is Y rupees. From this first situation, I can write the price of one shirt, that is the X, the price of one pant, that is a Y, and the sum of their price is 500 rupees. Now this is a linear equation in two variable. And from the second condition, how many shirts are there? Yes, there are two shirts. Therefore the sum of these two shirts is a 2X rupees plus one pant is there, it is a Y, and total price is 700 rupees. This is also linear equation in two variables. And question is that you have to find the value of one shirt, that means you have to find the value of X, and find the value of one pant, that is means find the value of Y. जर तुम्ही हे ॲक्टिव्हिटी कंप्लीट करून एका शर्टची व्हॅल्यू इथं काढलेला असाल, लिहिलेला असाल या ठिकाणी, आणि पॅन्टची व्हॅल्यू जर इथं लिहिलेला असेल तर शर्टची व्हॅल्यू इथं तुम्ही लिहू शकता आणि पॅन्टची व्हॅल्यू इथं लिहू शकता. It means you are solving the simultaneous equation. हे जर तुम्ही सॉल्व केलेला असाल पहिली ॲक्टिव्हिटी तर तुम्ही सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सॉल्व केला असा त्याचा अर्थ होता. सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन मीन्स व्हॉट? This is a linear equation in two variables. This one is a second linear equation in two variable. When you are thinking these two linear equation in two variables at the same time, that is called a simultaneous equation. Now observe this second question. Let's consider the price of one pencil is a m rupees. The price of one eraser is a n rupees. This one is also n rupees. Okay. Similarly, this one the price is m. Price of eraser is a n. From these pictures, I can write the price of one pencil and two erasers are there. M plus 2n is equal to 12. This is a linear equation in two variables. From second condition, there are two pencils and two erasers. The sum of these two is 18. This is also linear equation in two variables. When we are thinking these two equations at a time, then it is called a simultaneous equation. And solution of simultaneous equation means the value of n and value of n. That means already you are completed this activity. You are finding the price of one pencil and price of one eraser. Now you observe the third picture in which I am considering the price of one notebook is a p rupees and price of one chocolate is a q rupees. From these two conditions we get the simultaneous equation like this. It is a p plus 2q is equal to 42, and second linear equation in two variable is a 2p plus 3q is equal to 78. This is a simultaneous equation in two variable and you are finding the value of p and q. Friends, for our first question, this one is a simultaneous equation. For the second question, this is the simultaneous equation, and for the third question, this is the simultaneous equation. मित्रांनो, जर तुम्ही हे तिन्ही क्वेश्चन जर कंप्लीट केला असाल ॲक्टिव्हिटी मधला, याचा अर्थ आहे तुम्ही सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन तुम्ही लॉजिकली थिंकिंग करून किंवा लास्ट इयरला जे स्टडी केलेलं आहे ते त्याच्या रेफरन्स घेऊन तुम्ही सोडवला असा होईल. आता आपण सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन कसं सॉल्व करायचं त्या संदर्भात डिस्कशन करूया. फ्रेंड्स, या फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेममध्ये किंवा क्वेश्चनमध्ये हे दोन्ही नंबर ऑफ पॉईंट्स सेम होते, इझिली सॉल्व केलात तुम्ही. सेकंडमध्ये बघा, नंबर ऑफ इरेजर्स, अगेन 2 इरेजर्स इन फर्स्ट कंडिशन, 2 इरेजर्स इन सेकंड कंडिशन, हे सुद्धा तुम्ही इझिली सॉल्व केला असाल. मी मगाशी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे कदाचित तुम्हाला ह्या थर्ड क्वेश्चनमध्ये जिथे चॉकलेटची संख्या सेम नाही, इथे 2 चॉकलेट्स आहेत, नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स आर 3 हियर, टेक्स्ट नोटबुकची क्वांटिटीसुद्धा सेम नाही, मग इथे थोडंसं तुम्हाला डिफिकल्टी आले असेल. त्याचाच अर्थ यू आर फेसिंग द डिफिकल्टी इन सॉल्विंग दिस सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन. आता आपण त्याच्यावर सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन कसं सॉल्व करायचं त्याच पद्धत आपण डिस्कशन करणार आहोत. Friends, question is that solve the following simultaneous equations. Initially, I am going to discuss about the simultaneous equation. Suppose x plus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. This is a linear equation in two variables. How many solutions it have? You know, it have a infinite solutions. One more equation if given, x minus y is equal to 2. This one also linear equation in two variable, and this has also infinite solutions. But when we think about these two solutions at the same time, then we are getting x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. This is the solution. That means when we are thinking the two linear equation in two variable at the same time, such equation called simultaneous equations.